Kenmore is there to help clean them up. Introducing the Kenmore Elite Complete Super Stick Vacuum, a powerful and lightweight cordless vacuum that easily converts from stick vac to a handheld to tackle your toughest household messes. Included are 2 specialized cleaning nozzles, a microfiber brush for bare floors, and a dual bristle brush with dirt sensor for carpets. Both nozzles swivel and recline to make cleaning under furniture a breeze. Plus, the innovative Easy Cut feature keeps the carpet brush tangle-free. At 6 pounds, this lightweight vacuum includes a variety of attachments, so you can clean almost anywhere. The telescoping wand can extend up to 29 inches to comfortably reach overhead, while the Under Appliance tool helps clean those tight spaces below. And the Pet PowerMates motorized brush easily lifts away stubborn pet hair from upholstery. When it comes to storage, the complete Super Stick Vac includes a charging and docking station to keep attachments organized and easy to find. There's even a portable battery pack for added flexibility and convenience. The Kenmore Elite Complete Super Stick Vacuum, a 3-in-1 cordless vac designed to clean from floor to ceiling and everything in between. Kenmore, be amazing!
Introducing the ROIDMI Next Storm. The 2-in-1 cordless vacuum and mop that deep cleans your floors, leaving nothing behind. The integrated design of vacuuming and mopping together is efficient and saves time. The fiber wet mop uses intelligent slow drip technology that allows water to be absorbed. You can also easily replace the microfiber pad for cleaner floors. With its powerful digital motor and long battery life, you can clean more throughout the house. Charging the ROIDMI Next Storm is easy. Just place it on the magnetic latches and it starts to charge. With a variety of different attachments and high suction power, you can virtually clean any surface, anywhere, at any time. Powerful enough to clean up mites. The ROIDMI Next Storm's low noise and 6-layer filtration system, which acts as a purifier, keeps your home quiet, healthy, and fresh. The intelligent app control notifies you when the filter needs changing, how much host power is left, and reminds you when the dust is filled. The ROIDMI Next Storm comes with a 2-year warranty and a battery replacement service. The ROIDMI Next Storm is the next generation vacuum cleaner. Get yours today.
Dyson's latest V11 cord-free vacuum intelligently senses and adjusts suction and runtime based on floor type. Soft carbon fiber filaments capture fine dust from hard floors, while stiff bristles dislodge ground and dirt from your carpets. And the new digital display lets you check and control performance, enabling you to deep clean everywhere.
Dyson's latest vacuum delivers more suction power than most corded vacuums. It has a battery-saving trigger and a high-torque motor directly drives the brush bar, automatically adapting power to all floor types.
Presenting the BISSELL CrossWave. The unique dual-action brush roll works on virtually all types of hard floor and rugs too. CrossWave vacuums, washes and dries at the same time, locking dirt into the water tank, leaving floors looking, feeling and smelling truly clean. The CrossWave from BISSELL, delivering all-in-one multi-surface cleaning.
Clean anywhere, anytime with the Hoover ONEPWR blade, Hoover's best cleaning cordless stick vacuum. It gives you the ultimate freedom and versatility you need to clean all of life's messes without being tethered by a cord. Blade's multi-surface brush roll cleans messes across hard floors, carpet, and rugs throughout your home, while the dual cyclonic dust vault system captures the dust, dirt, and pet hair with no loss of suction. And since Blade is powered by the exclusive removable, rechargeable ONEPWR battery, simply swap and go for up to 70 minutes of powerful, fade-free cleaning. Plus, you can easily transition to handheld mode to leave no surface untouched, from the stairs to the ceiling, or wherever else the dirt's hiding. And with a completely removable dirt cup, cleanup is seriously easy from start to finish. Best of all, Blade is part of the ONEPWR system. This innovative family of high-performance cleaning tools is powered by the same ONEPWR battery to give you continuous, whole-home cleaning inside and out. Clean longer and go farther with the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Cordless Stick Vacuum, the powerhouse in cord-free cleaning.
With Shark's DuoClean, I don't just clean, I deep clean carpets and floors. So I got this. Yep, this too. And this? Please. Even long hair and pet hair are no problem. But the one thing I won't have to clean is this. Because the Shark self-cleaning brush roll removes the hair wrap while I clean.
Shark, the vacuum that deep cleans, now cleans itself.
The Pure Cordless can clean a whole house in one go, even the biggest house, and do it quickly. Our product beats its competitors on 3 key innovations. Lupe's brushless motor spins over 100,000 RPM, and our patented suction intensifier does the rest, developing almost twice as much useful suction than any other cordless. Pickup is outstanding, and you'll be amazed how clean your home can be. Our lithium-ion technology delivers fade-free, constant power right until the end. One charge will give 1 full hour with 100% pickup performance. We did not just design a powerful cordless, we created a fully portable 3-in-1 machine with onboard tool storage that can clean anywhere. There is no trigger to hold, just a simple on-off switch. Lupe's single universal cleaning head is brilliant on all surfaces, large debris types and pet hair. Do more with less. It has fully washable filters with HEPA allergy filtration, meaning the air coming out is cleaner than the air going in. We also integrated an extra large 1 litre bagless container bin for ease of use. Once finished, Lupe stands by itself or will fit in your kitchen cupboard, and its battery is removable so you can charge it separately.
There's been some dramatic changes in the marketplace with cordless stick vacs making a huge impact in the market. Lupe have developed a product that gives you the versatility of an upright, a cylinder and a stick vac all in one. This vacuum cleaner will clean stairs, it'll clean upholstery, inside of your car, and it's built to be user-friendly. Lupe really is a game changer.